Ever pause to ponder where the money goes each month? Or why those hard-earned dollars seem to vanish like mist before the morning sun? Well, the answer often lies in the lack of an effective budget. Today, unravel the art of budgeting, broken down into simple, manageable steps. Dive into the first step, which is all about awareness. Awareness in this context refers to understanding the inflow and outflow of your money. Begin by jotting down your total income, which includes your salary, any side hustles, and passive income streams. Following that, list out all your expenses. From the daily cup of joe to the monthly rent, nothing should escape this list. The second step involves categorization. Once you have a comprehensive list of your expenses, categorize them into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs remain unchanged each month and include expenses like rent, mortgage payments, or car loans. On the other hand, variable costs such as groceries, entertainment, and clothing fluctuate based on your lifestyle and choices. The third step is to set financial goals. Goals act as a compass, guiding your financial decisions and helping you stay on track. Whether it's saving for a rainy day, buying a new car, or planning a dream vacation, having clear, tangible goals can make budgeting more meaningful and effective. Now, on to the fourth stage, creating a budget. Use the information gathered in the previous steps to design a budget that suits your lifestyle. The aim is not to curb spending entirely, but to spend wisely, ensuring that your income covers your expenses and you are able to save towards your financial goals. The final step is tracking and adjustment. A budget isn't a static document, but a dynamic tool that needs regular reviewing and adjusting. Monitor your spending habits, compare them with your budget, and make necessary changes to ensure your financial plan remains effective and relevant. In summary, creating a budget involves 5 simple steps: gaining awareness about your income and expenses, categorizing your costs, setting financial goals, designing a budget, and regular tracking and adjustment. Now, why is budgeting important, you may ask? Well, a budget not only helps control your spending, but also allows you to build a healthy financial future. It's like a roadmap, guiding you towards your financial goals while helping you avoid unnecessary detours and pitfalls. In the end, the essence of budgeting rests not in the restriction of spending, but in the freedom it provides. Freedom to make informed decisions, freedom from financial stress, and the ultimate freedom to achieve your financial goals. So why wait? Start your budgeting journey today and embrace the power of financial freedom.